Good morning, dear student. Welcome in Sanskar Science Academy classes again. So, dear student, in last class, I told you about Mendelism, especially in Mendelism, mono-hybrid cross. It is your 12th agriculture biology class. So, today our point is dihybrid cross. So, simply, what is dihybrid cross? So, simply your answer is cross between two characters of gene. Cross between genes of two character. I repeat, cross between genes of two character. यानी दो कैरेक्टर के जीन के बीच में क्रॉस कराना है. In other language, in other word, I can say cross between two pair of alleles. Two pair of alleles like two pair of allele like it is one pair of alleles, capital T, small t, and it is this two pair of allele. Sorry, small r, two pair of alleles. So it is dihybrid cross. This plant is tall and राउंड सीड. इट मीन्स ये प्लांट लंबा है और इसकी सीड कैसे हैं, शेप कैसी है, राउंड है. ये प्लांट कैसा है, बोना है, ड्वार्फ है, और इसके सीड्स कैसे हैं, रिंकल्ड है, झुर्री वाले हैं. हमने यहाँ पे क्या कराया, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सो इट इज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन बिटवीन टू पेयर ऑफ एलिल्स, symbol of male and it is a female. Now we take gametes, here capital T and capital R, small t and small r. Cross between gametes, capital T with small t, capital R with small r. It is F1 generation and F1 generation is heterozygous generation. Heterozygous it means gametes are not similar. Gametes similar नहीं हैं. Now cross between F1 generation in same plant, these are same plant according to genotype or phenotype. So it is called self pollination or self cross, and we take or we get F2 generation. Before the F2 generation, gametes are formed. So what is gametes? Please, it is very important and very useful part for biology student. यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, गैमेट फॉर्मेशन करना है. ये कंडीशन यहाँ पर भी करनी है. तो व्हाट इज द मेथड ऑफ गैमेट फॉर्मेशन? कैपिटल टी, स्मॉल टी. सो फर्स्टली आई सेपरेटेड कैपिटल टी और स्मॉल टी टू ईच अदर. नाउ कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर. So we cross the capital T and small t for both capital R or small r, and we get capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, and small t, small r. Here is four types of gamete. Okay, so capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. Same condition, capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, and small t, small r. It is bisexual symbol. Okay. Now capital T, capital T, capital R, capital R, capital T, capital T, capital R, small r, capital T, capital T, capital R, small r, capital T, small t, capital R, capital R, capital T, small t, capital R, small 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 r. 1 2 3, capital T, small t, capital R, here capital T, small r, capital T, small r, capital T, small r. Now small t, capital R, capital T, small r and small r. Now small t, capital R, small t, capital R, small r, and small t, small r. This one after generation. Now in after generation, what is a genotype and what is phenotype ratio? Okay, so similarly in monohybrid cross we get 3:1 of phenotype and 1:1 is genotype. So in dihybrid cross this ratio we get twice time. It means phenotype 3:1 and 3:1 2 time, and genotype 1:1 it is also 2 time. So अभी हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 and 1. It is a phenotype of dihybrid cross. So according to phenotype ratio, we get 4 type of plant, 1 2 3 and 4. But what is genotype? So cross 1:1, 2:4:2, 1:2, 1:1, 2:4:2, 1:1. It is जीनोटाइप रेशियो ऑफ डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. आपको करना क्या है 121 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 122 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 एंड 121 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1. आई रिपीट 121 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1, 121 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 and 121 multiplied with 1. So we get ratio 1:1, 2:4:2, 1:1. It is similar. It is 1, 2 and 1. Okay. So it is genotype ratio of dihybrid cross. Understand? Similarly, if आपको प्रूव करना है ये, if you want to prove this thing कि what is it is complete that it is a genotype ratio. So please look at the board. It is 1. Okay, it is 1. Similar plant, ऐसा कोई भी प्लांट इस इंडेक्स में नहीं है. 16 प्लांट है, 4 4 4 16, 2 it is second line 2, both are similar. Okay, now 1 just in 3 lines 1, ऐसा कोई भी दूसरा प्लांट आपके पास नहीं है. Okay, 2 it is 2, 4 these are 4 plants, then after 2 1 and 1 2 similar, 1 it is 1, then again 2 and 1. Okay, so in dihybrid cross we get 16 total plants, and according to phenotype 4 type of plant, and according to genotype 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means 9 types of plant हमें मिलेंगे या हमको प्राप्त होंगे. ओके, सो स्पेशली इन dihybrid cross we get 16 plant in which according to genotype number of plant 9, and according to phenotype number of plants are 4. Okay, in next class we discuss about Mendelism and law of Mendel. Thanks, have a good day.